When you find yourself limited by your paper or fabric colors, spray paint is a great option. In this video, we'll create a giant paper rose and give it a gorgeous silver finish, showing just how easy it is to expand your color choices. Stick around for my top tips on getting a smooth, professional finish while using less paint every time. Our step 1 is to cut the petals. Let's start making the paper rose first. The template for this flower is available on our website dwblooms.com. The link is listed in the description section down below. The template includes the link to the full tutorial with details. The template includes SVG and PDF file. For this tutorial, we have used the PDF file. We printed the PDF directly to the paper that we are using and had cut it with scissors. I find it more efficient to cut by hand, most especially for this flower, than with cutting the template or petals with a cutting machine. Now our step 2 is to curl the petals. I am using a cylindrical tool, a paintbrush handle, in particular to curl almost all the petals. Now our step 3 is to assemble the flower. Make this set 2 more times. This petal seems too long. I feel the need to trim it. done with the flower. Step 4 is to prep and add the bottom part of the flower. Now let us prep the sepals. Next, step 5, let us spray the paint. Most of the time, I find it easier to paint flowers after they are already assembled. This method helps save on paint since you only need to cover the visible areas instead of every petal surface. Plus, if you use hot glue on a spray painted surface, the glue might not stick well. The spray paint layer can peel off and cause pieces to detach. A key tip: choose a base paper color that's close to your paint shade. For this flower, I used white because it is close to silver. This way, you don't need thick coats for good coverage, and you'll use less paint overall. If you happen to miss a spot, it won't be as noticeable since the underlying color blends in. I am using a vase to hold the bottom, by the way, since the flower head already has a pipe attached to the bottom part of the flower head. We're almost there. So, step 6, finish the bottom part of the flower head or the sepal part. Oops, my little Sophie loves to play with me. done with our giant silver rose. The template and full tutorial for the giant rose is available on our website, dwblooms.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!